Right, so in my folder, I've already got some content, some assets which I want to be putting onto my home page. For example, a title which I've made in Adobe Fireworks. To actually insert content within a web page, if I just go to insert and then I go to image because that's what I've got created for my title, and I navigate then to where my actual folder is, where my images are saved, and if I just double click on it, press OK, then the image will appear there. And if I want to start to kind of welcome people, and all I've done is type it in, so I've got my text, I've got my image content there. The issue is though, this title, I don't particularly want it to be tucked up in the top left hand corner, and all I can really do with it is move it to the end of the text, or even in amongst there. And the same with my text. If I actually want it to go across, if I'm pressing space, it only goes across once. I can press enter a few times, but it's a bit limited. It's very much like Microsoft Word in terms of how I can lay things out. So we're going to get rid of those first of all, and this is where I'm going to introduce you to something called frames. So on the layout option, which I did mention earlier, change it from common to layout if you haven't done so already. If you click on draw AP div, you get a crosshair and cursor, which allows you then to draw a frame in order for you to put things in. And you'll notice over on the right hand side in the AP element section, that's actually appeared now, and it basically wants me to give it an appropriate name, and this is where my title is going to go. So if I put the cursor, the flashing cursor inside the frame, and again I go to insert image, and I put that image in again, okay, and this time I can then drag and drop that wherever I want it to go. But as I'm dragging and dropping it, you'll see at the bottom of the screen here that L and T change. Now that stands for left and top, which is the same as X and Y, so I can then line things up if I want to be kind of accurate with things. Right, I'm going to add another frame because I want my text to go beneath. And again, I'm going to give it an appropriate name, text, and then I can start typing what it is I want there. And again, I can then move that around to position it anywhere I want on the web page.